So in this video, figure drawing dynamic poses from reference, I chose these 3 poses from Pinterest. The first 2 being the poses that I chose, and then the third pose was kind of like a last minute pose that I decided to draw just because I had some time left and I decided to put it out there. So you'll see that at the end. And with this first pose, I started out with the head, as you see me typically use before, drawing out the lines, trying to structure the shapes to, get the position of the head, where it's angled and how it's positioned. And I'm working my way towards the chest, drawing a circle for that. And I'm kind of just, drawing the shapes, trying to get a feel for the shapes as I'm drawing the pose out. I'm adding that circle for the waist and adding that other circle for the bottom half, the midsection, and then also the waist part. And I'm adding in these circles for the shoulders, so we can kind of get an idea of where the arms will be placed. Because sometimes I like to add the circles for the shoulders and then start to work my way to towards the hand and things like that. Because I wanted to kind of measure out how far things are and the distance of how far things are when I start to draw and position the body parts towards the other. Now I'm working in that cylinder for the arm, the circle for the elbow, the cylinder for the forearm. I'm kind of working my way up towards that hand, trying to measure everything out. I put in kind of like a little outline of where the hand is going to be. That way I can kind of know where the hand is, but so I kind of go back towards that at the end. That way I can kind of work my way on the other section of the body to kind of draw those in there. Then I kind of go back and forth to different sections. So right now I'm going down with the leg, drawing the leg straight down, circle for the knee, center for the calf muscles of the body. Trying to lay everything out. Adding in the foot. The foot's kind of going up a little bit in perspective. I'm adding in that leg in the back. Kind of bringing it all the way down. Just drawing quick shapes. Looking for all the big shapes and then drawing them out. Bringing in that foot. And then go up and start to work on that hand again. And with the hand, it's kind of like you can see a few of his fingers. I know one of his finger is covered by the handle of his blade. So I kind of just will show that same thing, even though it's drawing like the objects of the shapes of the body. I'm still going to kind of draw that blade in there, or the handle of the blade, just to match the reference a little bit more. Not stray too much from it. So I'm adding in the little fingers. Same method as I've been doing before with the little cylinders for the fingers. And attaching it to the palm. So I'm drawing the tip of the finger first. I'm kind of working my way back to the palm. I think if you've watched my previous videos, you've seen me do that before, where I'm just drawing the tips first and then kind of going back into the hand. Darkening the lines. And right now I'm just darkening everything so I'm not looking too confusing. Darken some other areas. Adding in that center line. A lot of times I gotta darken the lines just to kind of warm up a little bit, get the hand loosened up a little bit more when I go over multiple areas multiple times, just a way to loosen the hands up. Now with this one, his pose is he has his hands out, so I want to kind of show that. So I start with the head. And that center line. That way I can get an idea of where the nose will be placed and things like that. And the cylinder for the neck, going straight down. I'm adding in the circle for the chest. Make sure I'm just drawing it in there. I always like to go over the shapes a lot of times. Adding in the circle for the midsection, and then circle for the waist. Now I'm just drawing in boxes where the hands are going to go. And again, it's like measuring things out. So I'll have an idea of where the hands will go before I start to add in, the other shapes. So right now you see me adding in the shoulder, and I'm working my way towards that hand. Because the hand is already drawn out, I already know the distance of how far it's going to be, and I'm kind of just adding in those shapes towards that, measuring it out. Adding in a circle for the shoulder on the right side, overlapping the shapes to show that foreshortened look. Working my way all the way towards that hand. Just darkening up some of the lines, going over it a little bit more. Now I'm adding in a circle for the knuckles, for where the fingers are going to go to create that fist. I'm just drawing the one big cylinder for each of the fingers, just to overlay it down real quick, just to give you a general idea of what's going on when you start to erase and add in your own personal touches to it. Now going for that hand on the bottom, same thing as before, dropping those circles before adding those fingers, or balled up fingers in the fist. Adding in the thumb on the bottom. Adding just adding in the rest of the hand that's connected to it, just to have it all flow together. Trying to find where all the shapes are going to go. I'm adding in the rib cage on the inside, in the little chest area, just to kind of add a little more touch to it. Don't have to really get too detailed with the shapes. You're just going in to kind of rough the shapes out quickly. That way you can get the pose done fast before you start to, create your own character or detail your own drawing for whatever you're trying to do. Now with this one, this was like a pose that I've seen. I was scrolling through Pinterest, and then next thing you know, I popped up on this picture. I said, well, let me just draw this one quickly. So I'm not really using too many shapes, but I'm using the knowledge of the shapes that's in my head to draw the sketch out really quick. So I'm just going in. You see me adding a circle for the where the elbows are going to go. I mean, not the elbows, but the shoulders. I'm kind of working my way with the sketch quickly, almost like a gesture drawing. But the gesture drawing came out quickly because those shapes that are in my head are even though they're kind of invisible from me drawing this, but I already have a general idea of how everything's placed just from drawing shapes a lot. And now I'm just doing like a quick gesture to draw this pose out. I figured it was a nice cool pose to draw. So I said, well, let me just go ahead and draw this real fast. Add this at the end of the video. So I'm adding in his waist, adding into the section where the leg is going to go. And I just drew like a little quick circle for where his knee would go and how to attach the leg to that knee. I'm drawing it real quick. Trying to getting the foot in there. Now this part, since I'm making the leg go back, I kind of just drew in like a cylinder going backwards. But that's it for this video. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hype it up, and comment for anything else you want to see. And take care.